I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you can edit the screen layout right now. Open the XML or storyboard file and locate the target view. Once done, add a back button widget with ID equals BTN back and a content description for accessibility. This helps screen readers and testing. Choose whether the button is fixed at the top left or floating over content, and add basic constraints so it won't overlap other elements. This gets you from concept to the first tangible control on screen. Now you wire the button to do something. In your activity, view controller, or component, assign an on-click or on-tap handler to ID equals BTN back so the UI reacts to taps. Implement the proper navigation call, pop the stack, finish the screen, dismiss a modal, or call a custom callback, and explain why. Consistent navigation prevents lost state. While you work, apply visual styling. A 24px icon inside a 48x48 touch target. Finish by testing the back button on real devices and emulators, including different screen sizes and right-to-left layouts, because positioning or mirroring can break behavior. Make sure transitions or haptics feel natural and preserve scroll and selection state when returning. If things go wrong, check 3 quick things. The view ID matches, the handler is correctly bound, and the button isn't hidden behind other views due to Z order. Once fixed, rerun the scenario to confirm reliable navigation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.